What are the most common protocol deviations in pharmacokinetic studies? Hi, I'm Sher Joerger, Associate Pharmaccoineticist at Alturas Analytics, and I would like to highlight 5 common protocol deviations in PK or TK studies and strategies to mitigate them. Number 1. Sampling time deviations. Even minor deviations from scheduled sampling times can alter concentration time profiles. To address this, actual sampling times should be recorded and may be used in PK analysis instead of nominal times. Number 2. Incorrect tube or matrix. Samples collected with the wrong anticoagulant or received as the wrong matrix, like serum versus plasma, should either be validated for use or excluded from analysis. 3. Inaccurate dosing records. Accurate dosing information is essential for meaningful PK interpretation. Deviations such as undocumented doses or discrepancies in the dosing regimen can be managed by excluding impacted samples or incorporating actual dose levels into the analysis. Number 4. Sample handling and storage errors. Temperature excursions, freeze-thaw cycles, and shipment delays where dry ice is not replenished can compromise sample integrity. Track sample handling conditions and validate assays to reflect real-world sample exposure. Number 5. Ambiguity in PK reporting. Unclear protocol guidance can lead to over or under reporting of parameters. Confirm which parameters are permitted before reporting, like should half-life be reported. While protocol deviations are common, their impact can be minimized through careful planning, clear documentation, and collaboration across teams. A thorough protocol review and proactive communication are key to maintaining data integrity and scientific rigor. Thanks for listening. Please submit your questions and look out for more insights from the Alturas Analytics PK team.